Here are some interesting facts about Minecraft. Number 1. Creator and release. Minecraft was created by Marcus Persson, also known as Notch. It was released in its alpha version in May 2009 and officially launched in November 2011. Number 2. Block-based world. Minecraft is known for its blocky, pixelated graphics. The game world is made up of various types of blocks that players can break, collect, and use to build structures. Number 3. Sandbox gameplay. Minecraft is classified as a sandbox game, which means players have a high degree of freedom to explore, create, and interact with the game world in their own way. Number 3. Survival and creative modes. Minecraft offers different game modes. In survival mode, players must gather resources, build shelters, and manage hunger and health. In creative mode, players have unlimited resources and can focus solely on building and creating. Number 4. Virtual Legos. Often described as virtual Legos, Minecraft's building mechanics allow players to construct anything from simple huts to intricate castles, cities, and even working machines. Number 5. Minecraft merchandise. The popularity of Minecraft has led to a wide range of merchandise, including toys, clothing, books, and accessories. Number 6. Minecraft Earth. Minecraft Earth was a mobile augmented reality game that allowed players to build structures in the real world using their mobile devices. However, it was announced to be discontinued in 2021. These facts are just a glimpse of Minecraft's rich history and impact on the gaming industry and beyond.
मेरी जैसी गलती बिल्कुल भी मत करना, क्योंकि भाई आपको स्कल्क सेंसर लेने के लिए नीचे डीप डार्क में जाना पड़ेगा।